Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to use your keyword researcher in Scalenut. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button for more valuable content. Let's get started. This is exactly how Scalenut says the keyword researcher can be used.
Keyword Researcher powered by Semrush finds high-performing key phrases with performance data to make keyword research and application seamless. To start using Keyword Researcher, head to My Account in the main menu. Choose App Integrations from the options on the left. Now, click on Keyword Researcher. You can see the plugin details on this page. When you are ready to connect, click the Connect button on the top right. A pop-up will appear. Enter other details and approve the request. Keyword Researcher is now installed and ready to use. Navigate to SEO Docs from the main menu. You will now see a button under Search Bar to power up your keywords. Click the button to start your research. Enter the topic you would like to research keywords for, say yoga mats. Choose your country and click Search. You now see the highest performing keywords with Google Trends, CPC, keyword difficulty, and search volume. Choose the keywords you would like to include by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the keyword. The keyword you select first is chosen as your primary keyword. You can select up to 21 keywords. Now, click Create SEO Doc for a thorough keyword analysis of one or more of the chosen keywords, allowing you to create multi-keyword reports. Use this doc to create your content as usual. Thanks for watching.
I'm sure you now understand how to use your keyword researcher in Scalenut. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Scalenut today to craft your content that rank well in Google. To get started with Scalenut, sign up using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support us by liking and sharing this video.